Brody.
Thank you.
Making his debut without an airfoil on the top. This is Vaughn Schott out of Tipton, California. It's a KPC chassis with a Lawrence 360 under the hood. Sponsored by Frank V. Schott Farming, FVS. Oh! On making the horsepower. First lap's at 8th quick, 14.815. 14.815 for Matt Mitchell. He owns the car. It's sponsored by Roy Miller Freight Lines, Campbell Brothers Storage, JW Mitchell Motorsports, Kading Performance, SCI, and Sander Engineering. In the second lap is quick time of 14.160. 14.160 is quick time for Matt Mitchell. And a whole bunch of fire-breathing 360 cubic inch and 410 cubic inch sprint cars for the AMSOIL USAC CRA Sprint Car Series. Slowly through 3 and 4, side by side, gonna pick up the pace. We go racing! And Caleb Montgomery gets the jump on Roa, and we got oh my goodness, mayhem on the front straightaway. Bender's involved, Vern Sweeney's involved, looks like Butcher is involved, Dawson Faria is involved. We got Matt Mitchell parked on the outside of turn number 2, a bit different this time. Keep an eye on that silver bullet number 1 behind them, though. That's the POL machine of Damion Gardner. And we're green flag racing, and just as I imagined, Roa tried something totally different, and he'll take the jump on the start and get ahead of the 3 of Montgomery. Montgomery's still in second. Here comes Damion now, duking it out for third spot. But Chase Johnson not going to let him go easily. Chase Johnson still to the outside. Johnson and Damion Gardner duking out for third. Johnson got the front end hopping up and down in 1 and 2. And he's going to give Damion that third spot for a moment. Now he's going to rally to the top side. Almost three wide off of turn 4. As Montgomery gets pushed wide and almost collects the front stretch wall. 9 down, 21 to go for your leader, Brody Roa. Damion Gardner slips wide. That allows Chase Johnson to get inside him going into 3. Oh, they make contact. They park it. Oh, and Austin Williams with nowhere to go gets collected and turns over in turn number 3, and we go red. So we got the engines fired, and we'll get the lineup cars. Off of turn number 4, we are back to green flag racing. Brody Roa out front. Here comes Tommy Malcolm peeking to the inside in 1 and 2. Off of 2, though, Brody so strong. Caleb Montgomery pretty comfortable in third spot now. Behind him, Logan Williams trying to hold off the challenges of Eddie Tafoya Jr. And they've got Cadillac Cody Williams to deal with. He is really strong with those 3 black cars. Actually, you can call it 5 black cars in a row if you go all the way back to 7th spot. Tommy Thunder Malcolm rockets by Brody Roa off of turn number 4 and takes the lead. Roa goes to the top shelf and tries to steal it back down the back straightaway. And here comes Roa challenging and takes the lead back down the back straightaway into 3. Phenomenal race up front between these two. The veteran Roa and the youngster Malcolm. Then he's going to drift wide. Oh, the Finkenbinder car of Whitley gets into the mix, but runs into the rear bumper. He's still mounting a charge. Now he's going to take third away from Montgomery off of turn 4. Then he gets woed up with the slower 12B of Rayborn. Montgomery still trying to run off the bottom. Oh, contact. Rayborn parks it right in front of Caleb Montgomery. That's going to cost him a few spots. 2 laps to go for Brody Roa. He's going to take the check or the white flag this time by this flag stand. The win's going to go to Brody Roa in the 8M machine. Second spot's going to be Tommy Thunder Malcolm. Third going to be Daniel Whitley in the 3F.
What'd you think of that race? Give it up for your winner in the 8M, Brody Roa! All right, Brody, come on out here real quick. We got some goodies for you here, courtesy of USAC and CRA and all the good sponsors, Hoosier and everybody who joins in for you. There's your medal. Those are always awesome to get, huh? All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Brody Roa in the 8M.